Shan,
Yo.
is there a taxi stand on
Yeah.
Perth Road?
No.
So why she gonna say take he go on taxi Perth Road and take a taxi? Why the hell am I gonna take taxi on Perth Road if no taxi stand on there?
A taxi stand there, Perth Road.
Alright.
Remember that Perth Road, based on my remembering. I see him stretch that the high school is on.
Yes. He went to school on Friday. His teacher
Exactly.
confirmed.
And you did say that he went to Mega Mart.
Right.
But that just outside the school. Right. So is it a case where him a walk round?
Alright, so Manchester High School has a front gate and a back gate. The back gate, the back gate would have landed directly at.
What more I ask? You know, okay, Perth Road, can that lead back to the taxi stand?
Yeah, but you have to go on Grove Road. You have to walk on Grove Road.
And how long will that take him if he was to walk there?
Go on.
Hour.
Half an hour.
Shan, I'm going down, Shan. An hour.
No, about 30 minutes. About 30 minutes.
Okay. So he was seen in Mega Mart after 4. Right? Because that's what the auntie said. So even if he was to walk 30 minutes from Mega Mart, that would have still placed him in the taxi stand after 5.
Just put it in. Okay? I've been pushed to the ground.
Shan,
I think most.
more know if she did see the footage of the barber shop, the one where they are the taxi stand. The barber shop will place him in at the taxi stand after 5 Friday. The one where the sister says she see. So the family don't know of the footage of the barber shop, the one where the barber shop.
The police them see the footage of the barber shop near Little Caesars.
Near the Little Caesars, the barber shops there, not the taxi stand.
No camera no up in Willowgate in barber shop.
Right up at the taxi stand.
Yep.
So also the barber shop.
Listen when me talk to you know, wait a minute, cut you know. Remember, me tell you say, no camera no there at the barber shop at Willowgate. When me go do the thing, me tell you say no camera no there. When me get to find out the camera there in a Little Caesar. Little Caesar, the camera there. No camera where the police them don't get no footage from no Willowgate. Them get it from Little Caesar, and that is why they saw Jayden with the box food at Little Caesar. Him and him 4 friend them, or him 5 friend them. Right? So we need to cut out the barber shop at Willowgate and kill that. And then continue on an argument.
Okay, so if the barber shop is Little Caesar, so that means to say, as I said, it take 20 minutes from Little Caesar to go by Mega Mart. So him leave out of Mega Mart. The barber shop is at Little Caesar, you know. Right? If the barber shop is at Little Caesar, that means to say, hey, I know the taxi stand him last thing then. So the only person that can verify him in the taxi stand is the neighbor. I said they see him after 5 in the taxi stand. Right, the camera, because they saw the barbershop footage, you know, but then if they're saying the barbershop footage is not the one from the but even the lady who did not the live, she called 2 man name in the barbershop from you could see from the taxi stand and said she went back and asked them because she know the guy from the barbershop footage. The guy from the barbershop in the taxi stand. So do anybody know where the barbershop is in the taxi stand?
The barbershop not exactly in the taxi stand, you know. The taxi stand over the left side, the barbershop over the right side, upstairs.
Well, yes. And that one they haven't got a camera you could pass on the outside of the building.
No camera out there. No camera out there.
No camera they don't have Willow Gate.
No camera not over there, Shanda.
I find that hard to believe a big plaza like that and have how much business and none of them not have a camera on them business place.
They don't need camera.
Of course you need camera in them at
Sure.
time, yeah. We need for things like this, for breaking in, the incident we can't happen outside or inside of your shop, robbery.
Remember
all
say
of them
Shanda, the
things.
Jamaica Eye. Remember say the Jamaica Eye there cover the whole of the plaza then. All the camera them, you know, look on it, you know, see we show you it. All of them camera they cover the whole plaza with the whole of the area of the Jamaica Eye. You have to go back, go look again and remember the video them. The Jamaica Eye cover the whole of this, they cover in the barber shop, it cover everywhere. Because see the high and the barber shop, the high, where they are Willow Gate. So the whole of this is covered by the Jamaica Eye.
They don't need no camera. This only somebody maybe have a camera up on that plaza with a Mr. Right. The bar.
And a film camera,
I
a film
think Mr.
plaza.
Right camera up there. Exactly. Me not thinking have no camera up there either. Cause nobody can miss or Mr. Right. You can do in yard and you figure on him and you there, man.
Okay. Start eating them. Oh man, if you set up.
So me not think no camera up there either. No camera no in a Mr. Right.
No,
place.
because
no camera in the
if
big bar.
Little Caesar and them place they can't have them camera, why can't them other business place and a thing for have a camera in a them time here where we are living now?
Remember little Caesar have to have the Bankhouse Mall and a whole have
Then camera.
Yeah, break up.
tiny place. Tiny place in Park Mall. Cook up to the Park Mall. Prestige Sports Mall. Only will get I think a flow. I don't they have nobody now rob flow.
Flow now no camera in there. Flow now me there na flow actually every week. Flow now no camera in there.
Exactly at that peak any place the
Bankhouse Mall,
Bankhouse
Mall, Wayne Chinden Plaza. Bankhouse Mall, Wayne Chinden Plaza. Wayne Chinden Plaza, High-Tech Plaza, right?
They have to have camera.
Courts of them building, of them business.
Bankhouse Mall even have security.
People not have camera for only robbery. Incidents can happen in your business place, whereas they can have the footage for sure, like fight can break out and all of them things.
All right.
Can happen.
Sister Shanda, I will go to Mandeville. Wait, I will go to Mandeville today.
Thank you, Price.
We don't know. I will go to Mandeville today and I will give you a clear picture that the place don't have any camera. So you don't have to worry about it. I'll go and show you that they don't have a camera. Because me point the video up there already.
Have security.
If you go back and look on the video, the barber shop, the crossway, if you look up there, you know, say no camera in that video when I show you. No camera now point to the taxi park. No camera there on the wall. Go back and look on the video. The building where you see across from the Jamaica Eye, where you see the upstairs building, the long upstairs building, up on the top floor, there's a day barber shop there. Look if you see no camera project from the grill or from nowhere to the taxi park. None. It is there. Just
All
go
right,
there, go look.
scratch the barbershop camera. Within the taxi stand, right? Is there any businesses that is close to the like facing the taxi stand? Are they close to the taxi stand? Where you can check to see if
no
they have
business
camera
in
in there.
All right, the taxi stand there down in our corner, Shanda. The building come into a L. All right, the L of Willowgate Plaza is the side that when you're in the taxi stand, you look on the side of Willowgate Plaza. And then one section, when you come up a little bit, you look into Willowgate Plaza. So one side shadowed by the plaza. Down in the corner of the taxi stand, shadowed by the plaza. Up at the front of the gate where you drive in, you face the L. Down in the L at the plaza, you face that. But do the video, if there was a camera there that point directly, there's a camera over the plaza, but it don't point directly to the taxi stand. It point like you enter to the Willowgate Plaza, you enter. So you know cover down at the which part the people them stand up. It don't go cover in a Fidem tax, in a Fidem park, and a Fidem park and a taxi park. Fidem park a private park.
Yeah.
Okay,
right.
so the only camera you have to was put the taxi stand.
Yeah. So the only camera will pick up the taxi stand right there. So clearly where everybody can see is the Jamaica Eye. And you don't hear the police them talk about the Jamaica Eye or in them whatever. You don't hear them mention nothing like that. All right? They mention every other place where them get access to a camera.
Mm-hmm.
The youth where put up him camera, as me say, Tiger have the monitor. Him put camera, toilet, bathroom, and him run the barber shop. And him are the owner for the barber shop. So him run off the whole thing. So him have a camera point when you come right out at the end of the Bankhouse Mall. So him say they saw Jayden come to the end of the mall and turn with the food in his hand.
That's the guy in a creative barber, yeah.
And I'm a virgin, I'm a bona fide virgin, man. Bona fide virgin, you know, that's why I could have go in there. That's why I could have go in there and get footage of the whole monitoring system, brother. So when you come, on a speculation, and I sit down in the office and reason with him, you know. And he tell me, say, I must say 12 o'clock in the night, Jayden's sister left out there, you know. She and the police, them, you know, run the footage, you know, find the back.
Yeah, that's
which
how
party they.
Yeah, that's a genie, yeah.
All right.
I have a question for you. When Jayden, the barber shop footage last sketch Jayden, right? Where was he heading? Back to the parade area or round the back of the market?
He made the left hand turn. So the left hand turn out of the plaza would have show you him go back to the taxi stand.
Yeah, Willowgate.
Him never go the other way like him go back in a town.
Okay.
But you know, Price, even if you go that way there too, you know, saying can walk right under Willowgate right there, so go back.
Yes, he can go back through the arcade. He can come through the arcade.
He can go back through arcade and he can go back through back gate, walk on the field and go back and make a match.
No, the side gate, they say where them walk at the church, they say them lock it off.
Me know say that lock, but me say he can walk back through the school. Remember, school over.
When him come up here, son, when he left Mega Mart, I saw him come get the food, because if him did go a Mega Mart with the food, Mega Mart would have seen him with the food. So him left Mega Mart and come back up a Little Caesar, come get him food. Downstairs in a Bankhouse Mall, because downstairs he buy the food in a down food court,
he buy the food at Super Plus Center.
Right. So he buy the food downstairs when him food. Him bridging them buy pizza, as the camera say. Him bridging them buy pizza and then go down the step and go buy the food. Him one come up back from down there and come out. So him and him friend them come back out of the mall. Him left him friend them round there. And him come out and head to him taxi stand with him food in his hand.
So, Price or Sean, what time was the Little Caesar footage and what time was the Mega Mart footage?
The Mega Mart footage, I think I was around after 5, something like that. I don't quite remember.
I think the Mega Mart footage may be a little earlier than that.
So what time was the Liquor Caesar footage? Which one is which? Which one was first? That is what people want to know. But know where him head to in the last time.
But as I said to you, it is obvious you have to use your head. If him go a Liquor Caesar, if him go a Mega Mart and him didn't have the food, then that, and if you get Mega Mart and then him would have walked back from Mega Mart. Remember now, it I tell you say, when him come in a Liquor Caesar, him never have no food in him, man. When him come the first, him not no food in him, man. So him go downstairs and then I down them by the food.
Remember saying you want little girl in Umbrella, you know.
That are out of the
Remember
taxi
that
park era. Yes, but that not have nothing now to do with
not
him
out
coming.
Taxi. Not by the taxi part.
When gear that?
Right on the Bankos Mall, right there so. Right
Okay.
on the Bankos Mall, right there so. The little girl, cause the little girl compound with life the first time.
Fine. So we are there.
Time.
So when I say no.
Jayden gear the umbrella and say him a wait for him cousin.
So did they see that little umbrella at thing there at Mega Mart? Did they see him with the umbrella at Mega Mart?
Oh, he left on Liquor Caesar and go on Mega Mart. That's what we are saying. Because he give away the umbrella. And
So where the food? So where the food there? So where the food there?
Put in him back. He goodly put in him back because he say my way upon him cousin.
Okay.
Which cousin?
All right.
If you listen, them are a statement first, them are when he catch up back on himself, them are say, you know long with the approach road I wait for him.
And that sound like we're angry. That sound like we're angry. Come did you wait for him?
Yes, and when he
exactly.
And when he catch up back on himself, he say, well, we did the approach road I wait for him when he missing. We go approach road when he missing.
All right, me never want to say much. But one of the time when me hear from somebody who live close by, they said that is when you come at the stoplight, when you turn pan, if you come back out, you know what I cemetery they say, when you turn pan that road there. Them say at that road there.
Good food.
At that road there, them pick up Jayden offer. Everything, the last point of Jayden is off of that road. And at this so, when them come off of that road, at this so now, Jayden missing out of everybody sight and contact.
So that means, look now, so that means a Perth road. So that means a Perth road would be a sham then. Because when you come to Mega Mart back gate and go Perth road.
You know who said that? You know who said that?
That would be Perth road.
That, you know. And one neighbor said that, you know. Cause the neighbor, you know, say if they really police them and do the investigation, there's a neighbor next door we can tell them what happened to Jayden. Because if him attack and a taxi him talking, that the lady was saying to me say she afraid for even utter it to her husband. Because if she utter it to her husband, a problem. So somebody
let me
in
tell
the
you
circle
price.
know.
Me live right here. Let me tell you price. They have no neighbors. Me I go tell you. I right here so me live.
Me know say she dey down in the corner.
They have no neighbor.
Me know say them when me say neighbor now. Down, remember say them dey down in I point. Them dey down in I point. Down in I corner. Them dey down in I corner.
Yeah, then way down there so.
Down in I corner. All right, but there's some people now where they on the top side.
Everybody right round there so a family them.
Okay, all right. You see the little
yes, me know who them here talk.
All right, you see little brethren now where Fiend's son and Jayden are friend. That are the brethren who live on the right hand. When you go in, one brown and tall brown brother.
I'm a family too.
All right, him last see Jayden in a taxi park.
I know who you're talking.
Him see Jayden in a taxi park. Him tell me, come go to him. Because when me hear say, them are call his son. And tell his son say Jayden missing. Me go to him to find out from him, to find out which phone number call his phone, his son phone. He said son they are Clarendon because when L.A. Lewis see the son, I must ask him some question. The community and people come down and I say, oh, him now whatever, protect him son and make people or whatever. And he wanted to say something, you know. He get very angry, you know, and want to say something, you know. And I said to him, say, all right, brother, here what you do. Check your son's phone, find out who do it, and you know what to do, and you know what is right. Me now come back to you, me now say nothing. You know what is right, what you're supposed to do. Because I pick up at that point that he had something vital to say, because he upset because of how they attack him, him and his son. So me know say him personally have good information can give. But can me go right time for him, I go stand up. There was two men in the house. The car parked there, so, and the little low veranda, the veranda there, say, you just walk in. I saw a veranda set up. The veranda turned down to the yes.
Me know who that
talking. I know who talking. All right. So my reason with him.
In front of the church.
All right. Him, I one person where me can tell you no say, him know more than enough people know. Because he would have indicated that